The United States now has 3 approved vaccines in circulation, and Johnson & Johnson subsidiary, which is the Janssen company, they have a vaccine, and that was approved by the FDA for emergency use authorization. New York State has just begun a rollout of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and we have received our first allotment of the vaccine. It is a one-shot vaccine. It's being studied for 2 shots, but again, 1 shot and you're completed your series. And because it's 1 shot, we are using it for pop-up vaccination pods. And the great advantage is you don't have to schedule a second appointment. In the coming weeks, we see many opportunities to roll out vaccination pods, pop-up pods in different parts of our county, providing the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. There are many people who may be confused reading the headlines about efficacy, and this could, and looking at purely efficacy can be quite misleading. For example, the flu shot that's given year to year, if it's between 50 and 60% effective, it's considered a very effective vaccine. And what that has done year to year is decrease the number of people who come down with serious flu illness and succumb to flu. The efficacy is a measurement of how the vaccine lowers the risk of contracting disease, as well as the severe complications of a disease. Although there are differences in the vaccine in terms of vaccine schedule, in terms of what type of technology went into creating the vaccine, they're all highly efficacious in preventing hospitalization, severe illness, and death. In trials, all 3 vaccines have demonstrated incredible efficacy in preventing individuals from having severe illness. So what is really important, especially at this time when vaccines are not readily available, that when you have an ability to book an appointment, that you receive the vaccine that's available. These are life-saving vaccines, and ultimately they will allow us to return to some degree of normal. If you suspect you have a medical reason where you cannot receive a particular vaccine, that is a conversation you have to have with your regular doctor.